Homemade respirator mask. Materials: shop towels, rubber bands, clips, duct tape, normal tape, and staples. Tools: pliers, scissors or utility knife, stapler, and a tape dispenser. Components: towel, one nose clamp, couple of rubber elastics, and 4 pieces of duct tape that are about 3 inches by half an inch wide. To make the nose clamp, straighten the one clip using the pliers, and then to avoid the sharp edge, apply over it itself to make a small loop, and that's it. Cutting the duct tape to make the 4 strips, approximately 3 inches long. Divide by half, and again by half. You have the 4 strips here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Constructing the mask, put the nose clamp almost at the top of the sheet, and tape it with a generous stripe to fix it in position. That will be the clip that fixes the mask into the nose bridge. Now you can apply it initially, start as you can, a very small one, another one here, and a couple of times more. That's the most difficult part, because to make sure that it's similar in both sides. And one more. You can have yourself like something which is slightly heavy to keep it in place wherever it is, like that. So that's the first part. Okay, now continue playing, this time like an accordion, one in one direction, putting it slightly bigger, then in the other direction, like that. Continue that, that's much easier, until you finish the whole towel. So keep it there, keep it in position again. Now using one of the tape strips, can wrap a strip around the package. This distance could be 2-3 inches, depends on the size you want in the middle. Whatever left is here, this dimension will be the size of the mask. So you can put a little bit more to the edge or to the center, depending if it's for a kid or for an adult. Put it on one side, and then the other similarly in the other, like that. It's like could be a medium size. Use this tape to keep the whole package in position. The nose strip is the thinner part, which is in this side. Okay. Now we have to open just in the middle of the package of the towel using a scissor. Cut it in 2 halves, such a way you can have approximately half of the towel in one side and half in the other, and the same in the other side. Okay, that would allow you to put one of the rubbers here, rubber elastic bands here, put it on one side, and use another piece of tape around it to keep it in position, and then using the stapler, you can put a staple here to secure the whole thing in position, and do the same in the other side. Finally, you can simply clip the excess on one side. That will be longer or shorter, depends on the size of the mask you want to make. Take it off, and the whole thing is finished. Now to deploy the mask, simply open that way, and the nose, or you can ply it a little bit, and then with your fingers you can open it and extend it, and then that will be the mask. You can put it in there. This is in your ears, and you can adjust it in your face very easily. Nice and simple. And don't forget to subscribe.